respected doctors, scientists, professors, and my friends. I would like to tell you something about the project of semi-synthetic life. First, we see that what is artificial life, natural life, and semi-synthetic life. Artificial life means the life which can recreate by the scientists with the help of physical and chemical resources. Natural life means the life on the earth as we see from bacteria to human being, that is from plant kingdom to animal kingdom. Semi-synthetic life, what I mean to say is that the life can be recreated by the scientist with the help of natural cell membrane and all biomolecules and bioenergetics components will be taken from the natural resources. If we disintegrate a cell and then classify all biomolecules and the bioenergetic and separate out by modern techniques like capillary electrophoresis, we will have to put into another empty cell membrane again and again with a different order. For this order we need a software program. So I would like to invite cordially to all the scientists to have a joint project in this regard. What I assume that at last we may get self-assembly of all components. If this will be possible without adding of the consciousness force, then only physical and the chemical laws have played an important role. This can be testified by adding H biomolecules and the theory of vitalism. If it do so, then consciousness force may have played an important role, according to Sri Aurobindo 1919. Through this process, we shall be able to know the chronology or order of the chemical evolution which might have occurred in origin of life. If we shall follow the same path as life did in cellular evolution, we shall be able to know the order of origin of life. First, we must disintegrate all the biomolecules and separate out in the following order: amino acids, proteins, enzymes, carbohydrate, pieces of RNA, mRNA, tRNA, rRNA, DNA, bases, sugars, fatty acids, minerals, and biochemicals. This aggregation of the biomolecules in cell membrane will provide us the clue of origin of life as well as semi-synthetic life. We will also be able to know the order of evolution of life and the process of self-assembly. If consciousness force does not help in this process of the origin of life, then all the biomolecules can't be recognized without help of H biomolecules. What is the consciousness force? The consciousness force is a force which integrates and coordinates all the physical and the chemical forces involved in molecular biology and cellular evolution. In other words, the consciousness force was superimposed on biochemicals and the bioenergetics according to Sri Aurobindo 1919. He wrote a wonderful book, The Life Divine. So, Dolph Smith proposed that if molecules could have organized themselves in living being 3.5 billion years ago, then why they couldn't do same thing today? And also according to the J.D. Burnell, if life could have make itself, then it should not be too difficult to make it once again in his wonderful book, The Origin of Life. I would like to request you all the scientists to go and see my website, semisyntheticlife.google.com. You will find my detailed paper which is published in Japanese journal Vivo Origino in 2005. I would like to summarize that again. If you get in the semi-synthetic life in the natural cell membrane with the help of the biological resources, all the components of the cell and bioenergetics, if they go and finally assemble themselves in a singular order, so they will express the semi-synthetic life. Thanking you, and I would like to know your opinions on my websites as well as on my email ID also, sweemaophk.google.com or swemeophk.yahoo.co.in. Thanking you.